It is the 5th day of my vacation, and today I'm gonna shoot with a GX85 and like a 12 to 60mm lens with a filter on. Right now it's in 4K 1.1 times crop. As I said, it really doesn't matter that much. Look at this, it's definitely wide enough. Yeah, totally white. Don't worry about it. 1.1 times crop is nothing. Is nothing. Is nothing, my friend. It is still wider than a lot of lenses, like a 28mm, 28 to 70mm lens, or the Tamron 28 to 75. It's wider than those, so very cool. Beautiful clouds. They are blocking out the sun, but sooner or later they will be gone and we will have sunny weather. Alright, it's getting really sunny when the cloud is not covering the sun, obviously. So luckily I have the filter on, so it will not overexpose. What a wonderful content to survive.
Just go, okay.
Don't be sad, be awesome instead. And this is the bar I went to yesterday. This is from bottom up view. So sunny. Alright, we're going to see the cats. What do you think? Are you excited
Very
to see
excited.
the cats?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just need my coffee.
Alright, let's go get
then
coffee.
I'm gonna be excited about that.
Good. Alright. Absolutely nothing. It's too sunny, too sunny. Oh my god. Summer is here.
Let's hurry.
Sorry.
Feels like tomorrow is gonna be 17 degrees outside. Poor day. Let's go. Yeah. My.
Here we are again.
Huh?
Just.
There were like 3 cats right now. Where's the black one?
They're gone. Let me greet this cat with my flower. Hello.
Go.
Oh, it's running away. Kitty cat. No, this is not edible. It's just a flower. Flower is nothing to cats. Yeah, you just sit there.
I'm sleeping.
Yeah. Little kid sleeping, taking a nap. Look at them, so comfy. Beautiful little houses built for them.
Who made this houses?
The shelter.
We have like an entrance and like a...
They have a little window as well.
Oh baby, oh come here, please.
Wait,
come
where?
Here. Hi, hi.
Yes, you're almost there. You're almost succeeding.
Mommy.
This is your offer, or the offering to the cats. You pay the cats for them to like you. Look at that guy sleeping there. Wow.
Oh my god, no, no,
It's like a little tiger, little lion. Beautiful cat shelter over here. Love cats. Fun activity with cats. Hello? Yeah, he's so long. Hello, kitty cat.
Yeah.
He's stretching. Just sitting here. He likes you. He prefers you. Oh, look at that. Yes. Successful.
Make me take photo. Yeah, Michi. Everyone come here.
They're all coming to you now. This one. This little one. Come here.
Hi, photo. Michi.
I have video, man.
Oh yeah, bitch. Oh yeah, you like that.
Yeah, they love head massage. Yeah, he's having a good time.
Oh yeah, should you like that? Oh yeah.
What's going on?
She can still see.
Oh, he's in predator mode now. Don't touch the belly.
Bitch. Sorry. You don't like it? I don't understand what you're telling me.
He's about to scratch you. This is a car for the cats. Hello. Hello. Ooh. Hello. Come here. Come here. Come here. Wow. Nope. Hello. You're hiding there.
Hey.
You seem very sleepy as well. Everyone's sleepy. Hello. Ooh. Open your eyes. It says Pandora Lab. What does it lead to? Oh, there's more cats here.
What's here?
I don't see a lab.
Hmm?
Do you see lab?
No, I don't. I
There's
see
no
cats, like...
Yeah, there's more cats.
Bitch, I'm from East. You don't play East.
I'm from east of east.
Bitch! Fuck. Now it's IPA, sorry.
They're both IPA?
Yeah.
Ah, I thought that took pills. Okay.
Even she didn't hear you.
Oh, really? My voice is just too low. Okay.
No, I think it's a must.
Take a video. Yeah, just point it at me.
How do I take a video?
It's already recording.
How do I start it?
It's starting. It
It's
started.
already started,
Don't
okay.
do anything. Just point it at me.
Don't do anything, just leave it here.
Yeah, just point it at me, including those fancy stuff.
Wait, we need to, like, somehow...
We're recording. Come on, it's already rolling. Fancy little chips, beer, fancy beer, nice place. 10 out of 10. 5 stars.
Nice company!
Good stuff. Nice company.
Yeah, you forgot the main thing.
Alright, good.
A nice view.
Nice view.